Hey guys, welcome to Savor the Harvest. Today we're going to do an early June garden walkthrough. It's been raining pretty much on and off all weekend, so everything is nice and wet. And so I am starting in the greenhouse. These are all the plants that needed a little extra time and some heat, and they will go somewhere. I just haven't decided where yet, but that's okay. I also have my parsley out here. It's hydroponic. I think it might need a little bit of love because you can see the dying leaves down there. But that's okay. This thing's been going solid for about a year now, and I couldn't be happier with the results. So, yay, hydroponics. So, although I would love to go 100% straw because it is wonderful, I do have 2 raised beds that I got from my father. I have put herbs, flowers, lettuce, and I think these are sweet peas that I will have to trellis at some point. So it's coming along. I have this little beautiful pot full of different herbs. There are 3 levels, and it's doing quite well. This is my second raised bed. Again, it's pretty much all, this one's all herbs actually. This is sacred tobacco. But other than that, it's all herbs, and it's very happy with all the rain that we just got. And I have a pot of strawberries. We are very happy with how everything is coming together. I have some actual tomatoes on my dwarf tomatoes, which is really fun. I do have a couple pots of herbs, mint right there. And I have a whole bale of celery right up here. You can see my corn in the background is coming up and looking good. This is supposed to be a popcorn variety, so that's okay. I think that's a curry plant in the pot there that I did propagation with. My loofahs have flowers on them. Again, these are from a shady online website, so we're just gonna kind of see and get what we get, and that's okay. More tomatoes and peppers coming up. I think that's rosemary. Yes, it's definitely rosemary, my favorite. Again, I took that from, I propagated that in the winter, and very happy with how that's coming out. And that's pretty much the garden right now, guys. So this is my rhubarb. I had to spray it with a spray when we had the army worms or tent caterpillars, whatever they were. So I've just let it go to seed, and I haven't really done anything with it, but it kind of looks really cool. So I'm fine with it. It's okay. I can get some next year. This is a rhubarb plant that my friend gave me, and it's doing really well in the really rocky soil that I have. So it's all good. I will probably deal with it next weekend. Hopefully we don't get as much rain. Last year I planted some columbines from seed. I honestly thought that the plant died, and now I have these beauties to look at. I'm super excited, and I'm slowly getting rid of the weeds around them so that they can thrive. Thanks so much for joining me here today on my garden tour. That's all I have, but it's going to get bigger and more exciting as the season goes on. And don't forget, make it happen. Have a great day.